The right time never comes. You have to make it right. Similar, the right Prime Minister will never come until we select a perfect leaders for us. Actually, our vote is our power. When we use it properly, when we use it to select our best leader for us, who will work for education, jobs, and poor people, not for corruption, not for lies. The leader only will be happy when the people will be happy of Bangladesh. Until not, when the Bangladesh people will be happy, the Prime Minister think I have been success. Otherwise not. The leader never work to make the leader celebrate. The leader must work to make the Bangladesh people celebrate. This is the leader's condition. I want this type of a leader for Bangladesh people. So we should select this kind of leaders. Do that.